Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Wi-Fi Wealth System. It's a very, very good tool to use if you're thinking about signing up to MCA or already in MCA and can't find anything that's out there that's actually working for you. This is going to teach you real skills that I know as a marketer that you never see marketers really come forward and tell you about. So right here is Angie. She's a top marketer with MCA, and she's an online successful marketer for some years now. She's a top rep in MCA. She built the system here. And as you come into the system, this is step 2. The first thing I want to tell you right now is that this system starts off with a bang. Okay, it's unlike any MCA system, and you can compare them yourselves. First off, she's going to pay you. Her system is going to pay you $1.50 for every email that's entered into this system. Okay, you enter your email into the system, you go to the next phase, you receive this registration email from her, and you go to that link, and it's going to ask you to set up your Wi-Fi name. But before that, it's going to be a big blue button. It's going to say something about cash. When you click on it, you reserve a seat at Richard Legg. You should receive an email, Richard Legg's webinar, and you reserve your spot. Once you do that, you're in the pay per lead program, which is the first activated level in your Wi-Fi wealth system. This gets you $1.50 for every single email that you collect. Okay, and then it'll tell you your activated levels here. Okay, I've been in MCA for a while. Systems come and go. People tend to run after the most hype, but it's no training in it. You need real physical skills. If you're not a seasoned marketer and you're just getting your feet wet, you need skills in order to generate that profit, make that profit, and make those sales through your marketing. Face it, without any proof, marketing to people is just spam and scams. Okay, you have to generate proof. So this is how you do it. So, I explained the first part. The second income stream is Motor Club of America. So new members are signed up, and existing members are just enter their Motor Club of America information. I would prefer if you was on my team. I ain't gonna lie, because then I could get some, overrides for training you. However, if you have a membership, just enter it here. If not, sign up for a free membership, because you could always upgrade later. Now, if you have a free membership, it's always free to join MCA, but if you have a free membership, you do not qualify for any residual payments, only the instant $80 commissions. Then they're gonna go to your Aweber. Aweber is free for 30 days. It's gonna hold and house all the emails that you're gonna generate, and this is also an income stream, so you get 30% reoccurring every single month for every Aweber account that is activated under your link. And this is the step, guys. This is the step right here that teaches you where to buy traffic, which is customers and leads, where to buy them, and send them directly to your link. Now, if you watch the testimonials in the back, okay, I'm not going to go through the whole system because this is a short video, but in the back down here, in the training bonuses and resource section, you will see testimonials. The testimonials here basically follow her formula. These people are ordering 100 visitors and averaging about 50 emails and 2 MCA signups. 2 MCA signups and around 50 emails for 100 visitors, and the 100 visitors could cost you anywhere from $35, $40 to $75, $100, depending on which vendor that you're purchasing from. And she teaches you how to search for them, how to find them. Listen, I already have a Facebook fan page with over 6,200 members from Motor Club of America. I've been doing this for a while. This system actually tells you the truth, and that's why I'm making a video about it, because the skills that she showed you on how to find the leads and buy the leads is what a lot of you guys don't want to do. You don't want to pay. You want everything to be free. But in order for free to work, you would have to work all the time. It won't be work from home. It'd be stuck at home working, because the free efforts are very consistent and time consuming. So here, you buy 100 visitors to come to your site. You buy 2,000, you buy 3,000. And the great thing is, if you have a Udemy account like I do, and you have some members sign up on you, there's also a residual every time they make their first purchase. Okay. So here are all the steps. It takes, I mean, she does a step by step. It explains everything. How to set up your MCA, how to even set up your bank account for MCA so you can receive your deposits. She has how to connect your AWeber. Here's your promo link. Where yes, you're also gonna have a list in the back. I don't want to show you everyone's information, but it's gonna display to you everything that you need and everything that you have done in the system. So everybody's emails, how many opt-ins you have, how many leads, how many people sign up for MCA, how many people sign up for AWeber. And it's very easy. And guess what, guys? This system is totally free. Now, she tells you in the beginning she will not be giving out a lot of copies of the system, period, end of story. And if she does go past her set amount, she will either charge or not hand out any more copies. So this is not something you can play around. This ain't something that you can come back later to and hopefully get in. You have to get in now. So look for my link below. And once you join, and if you're a new member, sign up to MCA, or if you're an existing member, enter your MCA information, and I'll add you to my private Facebook group where I teach you how to market on Bing, Google, Yahoo, Facebook, Instagram. Listen, I do deep in-depth training on all the ways to drive leads. So once this is working and you build up a substantial income, you want all these other engines working as well. And I'm going to teach you how to stitch them together. And for anyone that joins my team, where 100 visitors may cost you $45 or something like that, once you make your first purchase at Udemy, at Udemy, where she teaches you, she shows you where to go on how to get the traffic. One of the places is Udemy. Once you go there and make your first purchase through this system, I'm going to show you a way. I'm going to give you 2,500 leads for $40. Don't ask me how. I would only tell the first 100 people. That's it. Okay? Because there may be an affiliate component to this, so I just want a small scale, and the first 100 people is going to get 2,500 leads for $40 from me. You're going to make the purchase from me, okay? Because I also sell leads, okay? So, but you have to commit to this. Once you go through this and commit and place your first order on Udemy, watch how this works for you. And in my group, I teach you how to scale your business. Okay, my group started off with 3 people. We're well in the 100, and I have about 60 to 70 people on hold request trying to get into the group. Okay, so down below is all my information. Please don't hesitate. If you want to make money online and you're here, this is why you're here. Press the button, click on it. The information is free. Take a look at the information, even if you just look at the information. Okay, if someone was just curious and came to my site and entered their email and then went through the other step and pressed the registration email, I make $1.50 whether they join MCA, go through the system or not. Okay, so just click down below and get set up, and the sooner you get set up, the sooner you can start making sales. Okay, God bless and take care. Thank you. Oh, wait a minute, I'm trying to end the video too fast, right? Let me tell you something. An hour after I set this up, I sent it out before I purchased any traffic. And I sent it out to struggling MCA members. I get a lot of members who approach me from different teams or, different ways, whether online or offline, and that require help. That you need marketing. You need marketing training. You have to know how to work your business. And it is not as simple as posting on Facebook and making $10,000. It doesn't work that way, unless it does for you. If it does for you, then you don't need to be here. Okay? But if it's not working for you, then you have to start paying for traffic. That's what every single, without a doubt, literally every single successful marketer is paying for traffic. End of story. So you're going to imitate the success by purchasing traffic. Okay? And I'll teach you how to scale it and teach you how to have patience and time and show you and give you a physical working goal to work towards, other than wishing and hoping. Okay? All right. God bless and take care. Icons Wealth Team. John Wallace. Thank you.